Hi friends, good morning. We are updated daily for the various job notification at 9 am. Before going to topic, please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. Whenever we upload new videos, you get the notification. Hi friends, good morning. Today we discuss about for the IAS syllabus. Mode of selection will be three methods. First one will be preliminary examination, second one will be mains examination, third one will be interview. Today we discuss about for the preliminary and mains examination syllabus. In preliminary examination, total will be two papers. First paper will be content general. This content will be 200 marks. Syllabus. First one will be current affairs for national and international related to social economics, industrial maths. Second one will be engineering aptitude, logical reasoning and logical ability. Third one will be engineering mathematics and numerical analysis. General principle of design and drawing, important of safety. Fifth one will be standards and quality practice in production, construction, maintenance and service. Sixth one will be basics of energy and environment, conservation, environment, pollution. Seventh one, basis of project management. Eighth one, basics of material science and engineering. Ninth one, information and communication technology, based on the tools their applications in engineering such as networking. 10th one, ethics and values. These 10 topics are all branches: mechanical, civil and electrical and communications. About 10 topics, contain 5 to 15% for each topic questions. Mechanical syllabus for prelims examination and mains examination. For paper 1, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics and heat transfer subtopics. Second will be IC engine, refrigeration and air condition, their subtopics. Fourth one will be turbo machinery, their subtopics. Fifth one will be power plant engineering, their subtopics. Sixth one, renewable energy sources. Paper 2, first one will be engineering mechanics, second one will be engineering materials, third one mechanics and missions, 10th one design of mission elements, 11th manufacturing and industrial management, 12th will be mechatronics and robotics. In preliminary examination, paper 1, paper 2 combination will be total 300 marks. In mains examination, paper 1 300 marks, paper 2 will be 300 marks, total will be 600. Okay friends, thank you watching. Please like, share and comment.